Hi guys, David Chalker here. This afternoon we're going to install an MCARCAR spoiler on the rear of my 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia. So let's get started. So real quick, a little backstory. When I bought this car brand new in May of 2017, the rear spoiler was not an option from Alfa Romeo. The only way you could get one is to buy the quadrifoglio, which, you know, I wasn't going to do. So here we are, almost 2 years later, and you can actually buy one now from Alfa Romeo, but guess what? They're over $1,000. So I'm like, let's find another alternative. So online through Amazon, found this company called MCARCAR, and yes, they are in China. And I ordered this lovely thing for $165, which is a bargain. I figure it's worth a risk. So today we're going to find out if it is all that, and if it's an adequate replacement for the factory spoiler. So without further ado, let's open the box. I'm just going to put it up here on the car, and open it and see what we have inside. Get rid of that. So here we go. This is it. It's wrapped in foam, which is good, I guess. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Got some tape on it, which is good. Let's see if this is really a quality product or if I'm in trouble. Hopefully I haven't wasted $165, and you're about to find out whether you want to buy one or not. They do make other products for other cars. So even if you're not an Alfa Romeo Giulia owner, you might be interested in what we find out here today. Alright, there we go. Oh, the good thing is it's wrapped up nicely. The hard part is just getting to it. Here we go. Alright, it's kind of like a big sword. Alright, here we go. Wow. This actually looks pretty nice. Honestly, the quality is good. I have to say I'm a little surprised. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is a pretty nice quality product. I think we may have a winner here. I hope so anyway. Okay. So let's check to see how it fits on the car. I'm just going to place it up here. Oh, it looks good. Looks good. All right. This may be winner, winner, chicken dinner for me. All right. So this looks good. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and show you up close. Good. It looks like it's going to fit really nice. This way on it. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so it didn't come with any instructions, but they have this on the website. So I just printed this off. So I got some tape in place at either end and in the middle to keep me lined up. It looks like it needs to be set just a little forward, not directly against the lip, based on where I see the tape and the basic fit, the way it's laying on the hood of the truck. So I think that's going to be good right there. Let's take it off, take the camera off and give you a look. Okay, so the next thing it says to do is to use adhesion promoter on the path ready for 3M tape. I don't know what that is, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to run on the tape. Then it says open a little tape on the two ends. After you find the right installation path, remove the whole tape. Then press for a good fit. It says you can use a hairdryer suitably when pressing, it will fit better. Okay, first of all, fitting really well, which is a good thing. Second of all, I'm in Texas. It's about 100 degrees, so and the car is harder than that, so I'm not too worried about that right now. So, without further ado, let's get to it. This is the underside. You can see we got this 3M tape on it. I think we're good to go, so I'm going to peel it and have at it. All right. Well, how hard was that? Not very. Corners are good. And it is sticking on there. Alright. So let's take off the tape. Looks pretty good. So it looks like we have a successful install. It looks great. It is solid. It is on there. I don't know. It looks good. I think MCARCAR may have something going on here. Of course, they make products for the car, so if you want to check out their products for your car, that'd be great. So in the comments, I'll put some information about where to buy it. Not that I'm getting anything out of it, but where to buy it in case you want to get something, and how I went about shooting this video. So we'll check back in a week, and hopefully this thing will still be on here really solid. If the Texas heat can't make this thing fall off, then nothing will. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like. Follow me. I do other stuff. But there you go. So Alfa Romeo Giulia spoiler for $165, baby. Not $1,000. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.